another brand new episode of For the Love of Food. I'm your host, Samar Aslam. Many a times, people go out to eat, wondering and deciding about which place to choose. Karachi is a place that has so much to offer and has a place for people with different appetites and different tastes. But even I'm in the mood to have something different today. So what better option could it be than to have authentic Chinese cuisine? I'm all geared up for the day. Right now, I'm in downtown Karachi, and behind me is a Wadi Towers. So join me as I begin my journey for the day. Well, here I am at the Wadi, and this is the Cinnamon Lounge. And now I'll be heading towards Asia Life, where the chef is going to be waiting for me. So no time to waste.
Hi, welcome, Thomas. I'm the chef here.
Thomas, how are you?
All right, how are you
I've
doing?
heard so much about you, you know.
Oh, thank you very much.
I hope we're going to have a good time today.
Oh, thank you very much. Definitely, I'll have a good
So,
time.
as it is, we're cooking Chinese today, right?
Yeah, definitely.
What are we cooking today?
We will have steamed fish with light soy sauce, which
Right.
is coming from Cantonese cuisine.
What's so special about the steamed fish that we're making today?
The steamed fish, we need the bone-like sliced fish. You control in a right temperature and the right time to steam it. So the fish steam finish should be very tender.
Very tender?
Very tender.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you select very tender fish for steamed fish?
Right, that's right.
And how long does it take?
It only takes about 6 to 8 minutes to steam the fish.
And we're done with the fish?
Yeah.
So 6 to 8 minutes and we'll be done with the steamed fish in here.
Definitely. Let's start.
So we're going to be doing the steamed fish first with light soy sauce. Yeah. Is it going to be spicy, bland?
No, that is not spicy. It's just light salty with good flavor of the fish.
I'm still looking forward to it.
Yeah, so you will see it later.
Perfect. Let's start with it then.
Yeah, sure. So we can start now.
Of course.
First, we just cutting the ginger. We need some shredded ginger.
Oh my God, you've got to see this. I am just seeing a miracle in there almost.
So we just need to cutting the ginger, and then we need cutting the same thing, spring onions.
Just the right bit.
Yeah. They will remove the fishy smell from the meat.
So it lessens that somehow.
Yeah. And in the meantime, to enhance the flavor.
Yeah. So what are we cutting now?
We're cutting snow peas just for the garnish because every
That's
dish.
just for the garnishing.
Yeah, because every dish they need a good combination.
Of course.
So you have to get the dish is
You
more
want to show more
colorful.
colors.
So now we're just cutting the fish. So we just need try it on the finger because the size which is with just use the finger
We
size.
need to measure it with our finger.
Yeah, that's
finger.
quite easy. Yeah, it's just quite easy. You cut it.
So you cut it with the measurement of your finger. You know, it should be the size of your fingers actually.
Yeah. So then we just need to slice it.
And we're slicing it even more. So what will be the timings?
Actually, for the fish, because steamed fish generally we are required at about 1 kilo or 1.2 kilos.
Okay.
So that will just cost you simmer like about 10 minutes to steam it. Now we just get a little bit garnish for the plate later on when we place the food. Okay, so now we start do the marination for the meat, and then we start.
So done with the presentation bit, go to the marinations now.
Yeah. So now we need putting a little bit salt for the basic taste.
Very slight.
And chicken powder.
Chicken powder.
Yeah.
Basically, chicken powder is not a substitute, but it's replacing Ajinomoto in it.
Right.
So you're just mixing it with the fish.
Yeah, and we use the rich.
So we've used salt, we've used chicken powder, and we've used the white pepper.
Right. Okay. So you just need to put in some corn flour water.
Covers the fish, and it doesn't let the fish shrink as much as it should while getting steamed.
So we put some oil.
Of course.
Because then when you steam it, because you
how
had
much oil?
corn
Like
flour.
2 teaspoons?
Yeah, 2 teaspoons will be quite enough. At the same time, also we put a little bit oil in the plate.
So how long has it been you're cooking?
Well, now I'm talking about I've been doing the cooking. It's about near 20 years. Okay, so now the marination ready, so you can see the fish.
Okay, so done with the marination and we're off to cooking now.
Ah, yes,
Yeah.
go ahead.
So
Let's
the
go.
chopsticks are not to be used right now?
Yeah, so now we have a
Some
steamer.
hot boiling steamed water.
Yeah.
So in goes the fish into this hot steamed water, and I wonder we're going to place it for how long, Chef?
About 7-8 minutes.
We let the fish getting steamed for about 8 minutes, and we're going to be done with that.